Instagram, or in Chinese, pig in a jar. No, not really, I just made it up. What? That was not funny enough for you? Get lost. No, wait, come back. We still have a video to watch. Instagram tips. Why I am not following anyone on Instagram currently. This is an anti-fake follower strategy. Wow, a tip and a question at the same time. I bet you're confused already. That's good though, because there are some seriously complex things happening in the background when it comes to Instagram engagement and growth. I've already went through a lot of them on the videos I've already done. Let me point them out if you want to check things in depth. But also I will go over them in this video. There's a video in the cards above about ghost followers, and there's a video in the cards above about 5 tips on Instagram growth. First of all, there's an exception to the rule of not following anyone, and the reason I cannot break it because the exception is that you can only follow one person, that's me. That won't hurt your channel? Probably. And the fact of the matter is, I can't really follow myself. Following me on Instagram, and you can do that as shown here, that probably won't hurt your Instagram account. And to motivate you to do that, to follow me that is, what is it? Tell me, I will. But right after the commercial. No, don't worry, there's no mid-roll video ads on this video, it's probably going to be lower than 10 minutes. Can add mid-rolls. So your motivation should be the following statement. I, Dr. Nikki, am going to answer all of your DMs, most likely, not guaranteed, don't sue me. By the way, this is no financial advice and this is no medical advice. If you have followed me on the Instagram and DM me there, I will answer and help you for free if you have a question. If you want me to help you build your Instagram account, and I have the time, and you're one of the first people to do that, I can help you for free. If you're not, I'm sorry, but not even trying makes you feel really lame. Didn't mean to offend you? No, because I know you do that right now. The other way for me to answer your question is to subscribe on this YouTube channel and comment down below with any Instagram questions you have, and I'll try to help you. Because I keep checking the comments every few hours while I'm awake. I can still do that because we're really small as a community and I really want to build a relation with you guys. And I think contacting me on DMs or comments is not a bad way. But if you're looking for something more professional, drnikki.co, and there's a link in the description down below as well. So, why you shouldn't follow anyone on Instagram except me? Duh. Short answer, bots. Follow and follow bots. A lot of them are broken now because they can only follow up to 6,000 people per month, 200 per day, because otherwise they get blocked, and when they get blocked it has to average out to 200 a day or 6,000 per month, or at least some case studies show that. But they're still out there, and how they work is, let's say that you're a makeup channel and you follow another makeup channel. What happens is, people that have, for example, pages about makeup and beauty will follow and follow with the bot everyone from that makeup channel, that famous makeup channel you're following, for the only purpose of you seeing them, that they followed you, being interested, checking their profile, probably following them back, which is 10 to 20% as a chance. There's a case study about it. I don't know, might be lower or higher right now. So the only purpose of these bots is following you so you can have a glimpse of their amazing online dating Russian profile, so they can catbait you and scam you. Or not catbait you and scam you, but just sell your product. You probably hate those marketers, don't you? But hey, I get more followers, right? Isn't that good? No, it's not. You haven't watched the ghost followers video yet. I caught you on that. What happens is, when you post something, let's say you're trying to grow your Instagram. When you post something, Instagram's algorithm doesn't show posts chronologically. They post it on the interaction the person or the audience has with the influencer or the page. What happens is, you post something and it gets shown to a percentage, a portion of your followers. If they do not engage, it gets shown to less and less, or just gets buried. If you have a bunch of fake followers, chances are those bot pages that no one checks, or profile pictures with clickbait or with scammy websites in the bio, won't engage with you. Instagram presents them the post, they don't engage, your post gets buried, your page and growth slows, and you're suddenly thinking that Instagram was just not for you. And you go to Pinterest. Haha! No, I still like Pinterest. I actually have a profile there, but I still can't figure out what I should use it for. So, the main reason I'm not following anyone on Instagram is because I do not want to get targeted by those bots. And I want to keep my page 100% full of engaging people. So yes, my followers amount is less, also my reach is high, and I have better odds of my content going to the right people. And the right person is you that's watching this video. If you like this video and you like to keep up to date with Instagram updates, Instagram growth strategies and Instagram tips, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely free and it would better my mind why you wouldn't do that. And one more thing you should do before you go that would really help me out, because you might think that the information you got was pretty nice. One thing that you can give back is make sure you click the like button on this video, which would help this video be shown to more people. It would be even better if you share it to someone. And if you share it to someone, make sure you screenshot that you shared it on a friend's Facebook profile or Instagram account or Twitter or whatever. Show it to me on an Instagram DM or in the comments so we can get a healthy discussion going. And I'll be so happy and I'll try to shout you out in one of my next videos. It was my pleasure entertaining you guys today, and hopefully you learned something new out of this video, because a video a day keeps a doctor away. Yes, this video is over, and this truly saddens me, puts a tear in my eyes. Wait, the tear is gone. Why? Because there's a few videos you can watch at the end of this one. For example, this video. Or this video. Why not? Why don't you watch one of them? YouTube presented them in a square silver platter and you're just gonna give them away? Don't do that. Don't be silly.